Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to get started with Adobe InDesign. As a first step, open the Preferences window by pressing Command K on Mac or Control K on Windows. This window is divided into two areas. On the left hand side we can see the topics, and on the right the preferences for each topic. Please note, if you haven't got any InDesign files open, you are editing the default preferences. Go to the Interface section. Under the Appearance section you can change the tone of your theme. From the drop down you can choose from 4 default tone values, but with the slide on the right side you can customize it anytime. Under the Type section we have a lot of settings. For example, we can enable to adjust the spacing automatically when cutting and pasting words. At the Advanced Type topic, we can edit the super and subscripts position and size or the small cap. Now check your units and increments settings. Here you can set up your ruler and where to keep the absolute origin point. I'm using millimeters to ruler and points for the stroke. You can choose the best option for yourself. In the Grid section you can set up the original baseline grid, which is 12 points by default, or edit the distances for the horizontal and or vertical grid lines. These are 25.4 by default, which is 10 inches. Under the Guides and Pasteboard, you can set the colors for your guidelines and the Smart Guide options. In the Dictionary section select your basic language. With the plus symbol, you can add additional languages. This option is important if you want to use the check spelling function. You can also set the formatting for the double and single quotes. Now select the spelling topic on the left. In the Find section, you can select and deselect what kind of spelling errors you want to look after. You can also set the underline color for these errors. If you tick the dynamic spelling, the InDesign will automatically underline the spelling errors for you. We can enable or disable the autocorrect function, but pay attention which language is selected in this option. This could be useful against the typo errors. Here you can set your default view. If your computer's performance is not enough, you can adjust your view settings. In the Black appearance, set all to option to rich black. You can find an example. What is the difference between the 100% black, 1 color, and the rich black, 4 color? Now we can close the Preferences window. End of part 1.